Alright, so we're on most missed problem number 6. This one says which of the following is equivalent to g prime of 2, where g of x equals log x. Now, first thing I'm going to look through the answers. They are all based on the h definition. So I'm going to start with the limit. Get a pen here. Limit as h goes to 0. We know the structure is f of x plus h minus f of x all over h. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to adjust it so it's for the derivative at 2. So f of 2 plus h minus f of 2 all over h. Alright, now I'm going to adjust it for the function that's in play on this one, which is log. So we have log of 2 plus h minus log of 2 all over h. Log of 2 doesn't simplify at all, so I'm going to look and see if I've got this as any of my choices. And it appears as though choice A does match up with that perfectly. Alright, so that is the answer for our derivative at 2. And again, this is just to reinforce that limit definition and being comfortable with that structure.